Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating fit and safety. Confirm the case has the mounting points and enough clearance for the GPU vertically. Next, pick a high-quality shielded PCIe X16 riser rated for your card's Gen 3 or Gen 4 speed, because bandwidth and signal integrity matter. Once done, power off and unplug the PSU, ground yourself, and remove the appropriate expansion slot cover so you can access the vertical bracket. Now you insert and secure the riser card into the motherboard PCIe slot, making sure the connector seats squarely at a 90 degrees angle so pins align. Route the riser cable with gentle arcs. Do not kink or sharply bend it, because signal loss and heat can result. Once routed, install the vertical bracket or standoff into the case, then test fit the GPU to verify the rear I/O and cooler have correct clearance before final fastening. Finish by seating the GPU into the riser connector and bolting it to the vertical bracket. Tighten screws snugly so the card doesn't sag but avoid stripping threads. Next, attach the correct PSU connectors, verify 6-pin/8-pin clips latch and cables aren't pulling on the card. Power on, confirm the card appears in BIOS, install drivers, and monitor temperatures and PCIe link speed. If you see no signal, reseat the riser and GPU. Swap the riser cable, then recheck power connectors as a first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.